Right here is 1951 Buick. This is Cuba Libre. This is where we're going to go tonight for our happy hour. The Buick convertible restored by Charlie Purbeck. The paint scheme was that he designed was a gift to his friend, the owner of Cuba Libre, to accommodate the grand opening. They do have a happy hour Monday through Friday, 4 to 6. Food and drink specials, mojitos, sangria, guac. And this is it. Here is the menu, and we will show it to you inside. Two, please. Yes, we'd like the happy hour.
The happy hour? You can sit at the bar if you'd like.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy hour here is at the bar. We have never been in here before. This is beautiful. And here is their bar. Hi, how are you? We'd like to go to happy hour, please.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Just take a seat, I got you.
All right, thank you.
Oh yeah, baby. There's a regular menu, drinks and food on each side. This is happy hour, same concept.
Okay.
My name is Julian.
Hi, Jewel. Thank you. All right, so the happy hour. $8 drink specials. Sangria, house wine, beer. And here's the food. I'm getting the croquettes. They do have Dragon Street meatballs, crab, guacamole. All right. And I will show you the regular menu. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Cuba Libre. House beverages, soups for the table.
You guys need a little bit more time to check the menu, or you want to put some drinks in maybe?
I'm going to get a sangria, please.
You want red or white?
Red, please.
How about you, sir?
Mashed potatoes.
How about just a bourbon?
Tequila, rum. They have beer. Now this is the regular menu. Okay, and again, this is the happy hour. And the drinks. So I got a red sangria, some croquettes, and they brought us out some bread with cinnamon butter. Glen got some bourbon neat. Everything looks wonderful. We are over at the wood stove with Chino, the chef.
Over here making a gaucho. It's got 4 shrimp, lobster tail, a piece of chorizo, skirt steak, and chicken breast, and then they serve it with white rice and beans. With sweet plantains on the side. It's a meal for 2.
Chino has been here for 10 years. Oh, that looks beautiful. Thank you, Chino. Thank you so much. Thank you. We're going to have to come back and sit in the restaurant and get something on the grill. That was wonderful.
Air quality alert for tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. There's Glen. Thank you so much. That was awesome.
Welcome here.
Thank you very, very much. Hi everybody, this is Julian. We are at Cuba Libre at the Tropicana. This is our wonderful server, bartender. He has a nice bottle of rum.
Just gonna give you guys a word. We are located in Tropicana, Atlantic City. My name is Julian. I'm happy to take care of anybody who wants to come on by. We are a dinner during the day and we turn into a nightclub at night. You guys can catch us here at Cuba Libre. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you. Okay, we were just brought out the dessert menu. Look at this.
There's none. It's okay. I'm gonna have you go downstairs.
And coffee. Glen is going to get the cafe Americano. No. Oh, the Cabano. Where is that? Oh, okay. He's getting the Cabano, which is single espresso shot sweetened with raw sugar. He's going to be up all night. This has been such a great experience. Our server bartender was wonderful.